Hey guys, welcome to Cool Dodge Mechanic Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on a 4AFE/7AFE motor. Let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do first off is pull these four cord thingies out. Alright, once they are out, remember which one goes where. Usually the longest, I assume, will be on the side. What you're going to want to do is then take your spark plug wrench and then undo these spark plugs. Alright, I got one of these spark plugs out. I'll do the other three real quick. After you've done that, you're going to want to get your new spark plugs. That's the part number there. Make sure these are gapped correctly for this specific motor, the 7AFE. Not sure about the others, but the gap spec is 0.8 millimeters. And I'll put a conversion up on the screen. Alright, now I'll put it in the cylinder. Tighten it up until it's hand tight, and then turn it 1/3 of the way to 1/2 of the way, as per the box instructions. Now that one's done, do the same for all four cylinders. Alright, after you've done that, get your coils and put them back in. They will have numbers on them so you know which one goes where. Alright, once it's all done, time to test start it. Alright, time for the test start. Make sure it's in neutral. One's good. Thanks for watching.